Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to sign up to HBO Max. So this is very simple. First, search in Google HBO Max, press enter and click on the link, which is hbomax.com. Now simply press sign up now, and here you can choose your plan monthly or yearly. So yearly you will probably save something, monthly you will not, but it costs 10 euros a month for standard and 12 euros a month for premium. Pick your plan and press continue. You can even add this sports plan to your plan if you want, and if you don't, just press continue. Now here you will type in your email address and press continue. Then simply confirm your email address and choose your password. Then scroll down, insert your first name and your last name, and then simply click on create account. Now choose if you want to pay for your subscription with credit card or debit card and enter the card info. Once you entered your card details, simply click pay now. As you can see, you can now start streaming and even download the HBO Max app on mobile. So click on start streaming and there we go. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.